Okay, what are you doing now?
I got to do my feet.
Cause you're there. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night.
Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am showing you my at-home pedicure. I did go to cosmetology school for a little over a year, and I've never wanted to rely on anyone, especially in this time. I probably haven't got my toes done by the nail shop in about a year, but if you want to sit, relax, and do your feet with me, keep watching the video. Let's go ahead and get this party started. Now the tub that I am using is from Home Medics. It actually bubbles up once you press that button, which I will do in a moment. But let me go ahead and add some products to my steaming hot water. The first product that I'm gonna add to my bath water would be my Dr. Teal's. This is the Ultra Moisturizing Bath Bomb. This is in the scent Eucalyptus and Spearmint, and this is going to rejuvenate your feet. Of course, we need to spend a lot of time on our toes and feet because you walk around so much and your feet can definitely show health problems, so we need to take care of these bad boys. While that bath bomb is bubbling up in here, I'm gonna take my Purely Pampering. This is from Dove, and I like to have a little bit of bubbles in here and kind of swish the water around. As you put your feet into the water, go ahead and relax. Just sit back on Instagram, get on your Twitter, or watch a movie, and seriously, just relax. Enjoy the moment. There's actually little massagers in here as you soak your feet, so I kind of just run my feet back and forth on the little massagers, and I just relax. This feels so good, very soothing on my feet. Now that my feet have soaked for about 10 minutes, I do have some tools down here that I am going to use in order to get my feet super clean. What I'm gonna take is my heel to toe. This is exfoliating polish foot scrub for your feet, of course. And I'm just going to put a little bit in my hand. I'm gonna soak these brushes because I will need them. Oh no, my pumice stone broke. I'm just rubbing this scrub all over my feet. Do not forget your heels. I'm gonna take my heel to toe scrubber and I'm gonna scrub my heel. I'm gonna grab my brush because we need to make sure that we clean our toenails as well. I also try to scrub the top part of my feet as well with this brush. And we're not gonna talk about my pinky toe. The nail on my pinky toe like never grew in properly. I don't know why. So this is like my little deformity that I have. And I always say I should get a discount on my toes at the nail salon since there's really not a fingernail there, but ain't nobody got time for me. Now I'm gonna take the pumice stone and do the bottom part of my feet. Let's go ahead and do the other side. I'm just grabbing my heel to toe, putting some of that scrub in my hand. We're gonna scrub the heel. Once again, I told you my little defect. Flip your feet over to scrub your foot with the pumice stone. Drop your feet back into the water. Just rinse off any of the soap and scrub that you have on your feet. Now I'm going to clip my fingernails. I know some people clip their fingernails before they wash their feet. It's up to you. It's however you want to do it. I told you guys with my defect toe, I do have to flip my feet over to get that. Moving on to my other foot, I'm gonna go ahead and just dry my foot off. I'm gonna flip this foot over to cut it. I have to do this foot just a little bit different. Now I'm gonna go in and shape my nails using this nail file. I am gonna grab my Sally Hansen. This is my cuticle rehab, and this just takes care of your cuticles. It keeps them moisturized. There is a brush on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush it on. Take my Holler and Glow. This is the Purrfect Pedi soft mask. So let me just show you guys. It does say on the directions to go ahead and cut this. Go ahead and open up the mask. And slide your feet right in. It feels so good. I am gonna allow my feet to soak in this mask for the full 90 minutes. I'm gonna do this off camera, but I'm going to wash my feet because you have to wash off this mask, and then I will come back and paint my toenails. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna take my super dry, I'm gonna use this as a base coat before I apply my nail polish. And yes, I still put nail polish on my pinky toe. The nail polish that I am using to paint my toes is LA Colors. This is the Color Crazy nail polish in the shade First Date. So one thing I did learn in my beauty school, I know this is probably a natural habit for everybody, but watch this. Yeah, no, you're not supposed to shake your nail polish up. You're actually supposed to twist it in between your hands and then apply your nail polish. That is my fun fact for the day. And this is actually a cuticle stick to push back your cuticles if you put a cotton swab on the top of this. But I'm using this to clean up my nail polish. You want to clean that up right away so it doesn't stain, or you can use acetone. This is the first coat. First coat, let's switch to the other side. I'm gonna close the bottle up. Second coat. And if you are wondering, I do shave my toes. I know there's like a little bit of hair that we get on there. Yeah, I get rid of that hair. We ain't got time. We're gonna let this foot dry. take my LA Colors. This is the Rapid Dry Top Coat. And I'm going to place this on my toenails because I want my toenails to dry fairly quickly, but honestly, I really don't know how long it takes for your toenails to dry. There was a little bit of pink on the nail polish brush, so I know my nails are not dried at all. Now that some time has passed, this is a foot cream. This is going to help relieve and repair dry and cracked feet. Although I really don't have a ton of dry skin on my feet because I moisturize them every day. And also too, when I'm in the shower, I do clean my feet. So I don't have that problem, but I try to just always have some type of foot cream. This is the bottom of my feet. We're gonna do the same to the other side. I want to thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch my videos. I definitely appreciate the support. Please leave a comment down below. What is your favorite nail polish brand, as well as what color do you like to put on your toes? As always, I miss you guys when I'm not here. I love you guys and all the support that you show me. And until my next video, bye.